Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Skater here. Hopefully you don't mind the mic right here in the shot. This is my first time recording in this little setup right here, and I'm not really sure what to do with it. I didn't think ahead and place the mic in an optimal position. But today we are here with some more awesome. We got 4 things to open from Into the AM. If you guys didn't know, I am an affiliate with them. I'll have a link down below in the description if you guys want 10% off all your orders. It's probably popping on the screen at the end of the video right now, but I do have some shirts that I've been purchasing from them throughout the summer. I had some of these from the beginning of the summer when they had their blowout sales, and then one was like a recent order where I got some stuff. So I have 4 different shirts here that we're gonna just, unbox and just show off for you guys. First one we have right here is out of the package because this one came. This had some shipping troubles. But speaking of shipping troubles, I never really had shipping troubles before, but this is like the first time I got my shipping address like mixed up, and they had to send the package back. And Into the AM was actually very good about it. They like got the package back within the next week, which was really nice and not a hassle at all. So it's pretty cool. But this right here is the Stardust tee. What the heck? It got stuck. The Stardust tee. Again, this is not the best area to be doing this, but that's what it looks like. I'll have some close-ups as well. You can check it out. It's like a nice, it's pretty much dark matter camo from Call of Duty Black Ops 3 and Black Sky from Infinite Warfare. Looks pretty good. Is probably the first t-shirt I have that, yeah, it's the first one I have that's like very vibrant and pops out. So you'll be able to notice when I'm wearing it in streams and notice me from far away down the street. But it's pretty cool. So that's the Stardust one right there. Again, I'm just gonna, unbox all these and just show you what they look like on camera. I have close-ups and all that. So, if you're looking to make a purchase and, you're looking up Stardust and you see this video on the internet, you actually know what it looks like and you can make a better informed decision. That's what I do all the time, and I feel like it helps people out a lot. So, this one right here we have is the Digital Wolf. And again, this was part of that order mix-up where I did like a weird exchange and everything got mixed up. And everything came back really nicely, and it was a very smooth process. So props to Into the AM about that. Just throwing that in here. Not like trying to sugarcoat everything, but just good experiences. So this is the Digital Wolf. It is a, let's see how we can do this. Probably have to do close-ups for this, but it is a, full all-over shirt. It has the Digital Wolf on there. Nice little color scheme of green, like cyan, and you got red and orange. Looks pretty nice. You got the same print on the back. You can see nice big wolf. Again, a lot of these shirts that I got this time are very vibrant and very colorful. The ones I was gotten before are kind of bland, kind of toned down like this one. I like it. Has the roses on it. But a lot of these ones are very, popping and stuff. So let's do the other very colorful one right here. This is, I think this is called, I forgot. It's like Star Nebula. What was this one called? Neuron Stars or Neuron Stars. One of those. It's a blue base shirt. It's very calm in my opinion, and it looks like this. Kind of reminds me of the Pixar DreamWorks like intro where they have the guy sitting on the moon and they have the blue sky and all the stars in the background. Looks pretty good. And it's a nice blue shirt. I actually don't own many blue shirts, so this is actually nice. I don't think I own any like navy blue shirts at all, besides like crappy shirts I wear to work out or anything like that. So that's a nice addition. And then finally, the last one we have right here is a more of a special type of shirt that they have where you have to like wait a couple business days because they don't print as many off. This is the American Street t-shirt, and nice tone down black and white shirt, and it is the American flag but just in black and white, and all over print on the front. Got the same thing rocking on the back. Pretty simple but also pretty stylish. Something that looks very, very nice and sleek, and something I could wear every day. So that is it for this Into the AM installment. All the shirts I got. Again, we got that one. We got Neuron Stars right here. I don't know why I'm doing this. I should have done this in the first place. Stack them all on the table, whatever. But we have Digital Wolf, and the other one's called Stardust. I'm not gonna waste your time and keep fiddling around with these and doing that. So if you guys want any of these shirts, you want to check out some Into the AM apparel yourself, I'll have the link down below to the website in the description, probably pinned in the comments, and you can use my code SINSKATER SYNSK8R. You see it on screen right here for 10% off any of your orders. And then that helps support the channel, and you get a discount. Everybody wins, the win-win. Pretty good stuff all around, but again, it'll be it for this video. Just wanted to show off these shirts, give you some more visuals, because not too many like reviews and unboxings of all these shirts on the internet. Probably the first one on the net of this American Street Tee, because I couldn't find it myself. So hopefully it'll help someone out make their decisions or introduce you guys to the anime, anything like that. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. So my name's Neuron Stars. Be sure to drop a like if you guys enjoyed. Subscribe for future gaming content into the ITAM apparel hauls every once in a while, things like that. Turn on the bell notification, don't miss any of my uploads. Links down in the description for 10% off into the ITAM apparel, as well as Control Freaks. And there's other goodies down there like my Amazon affiliate link, links to all my gear I used to record, things like that. So again, hopefully you guys enjoyed. My name's Neuron Stars. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace out.